Davies, o mi nath o'n gampus i gael ei greisiad I fewn I gwiro hi nôl. Declan Poole oedd o'n mynd I ergydio. Owens, a mae'r bêl yn adlamios ag am sefyll nag oes wir y chwarae'n parhau. Mi oedd Callum Morris yn ei chanol I, mae Callum Roberts yna hefyd, a mi oedd Tibbets yn eithriadol o ddewr y fanna.
Arbennig gan y golgeidwad, ddim unwaith ond ddwywaith. Oedd rhaid iddo jyst neidio flaen, doedd ddim yn gwybod be oedd yn mynd I stopio'r bêl rhag taro'r rhwyd.
Bradley yn edrych am Cei Jones I rei Caernarfon ar y blaen.
Wel, am gol ynde. Bradley a Darren Thomas, maen nhw ar blaen I traed, maen nhw'n barod am y cyfle I greu. A wedyn yr hediad gan Cei Jones, amseru'r hediad yn berffaith, a wedyn, jyst rhyw dinc bach bron o bod, ynde, I wneud yn siŵr fod Lewis Brass ddim cyfle gan o.
Davies ar y droed chwith, mynd amdani'r gwiriad allan. Oedd hi ar Mendes, nôl I mewn y daw I gan Owens! O, Farquharson ar y foli! Priestley Farquharson o dyna chi daran o ergyd.
Dim nes wedi landio ar ei droed o. Di oriod wedi taro'r bel mwy glân na honna. Am ergyd, dim cyfle gan Tibbets yn y gol.
Dynion mawr I fyny. O'r cefn unwaith eto, ar bel I gefn y rwyd, a mi oedd Mike Wild yn ei chanol hei.
Cryfder Cei Connah, pan maen nhw'n gweld gwendid a maen nhw'n sylwi bo na wendid, maen nhw'n cymryd mantais.
Owens yn ei chodi hi fewn, dyma Roberts. Disney. Heibio I Anderson, o, croesiad da, yr ochr bellach, yn cael ei gwiro I gefn y rwyd. Na dwi'n credu na I Priestley Farquharson sydd yna unwaith eto.
Wel, na'n ffodus I Caernarfon, y gol yn dod lawr yr asgell chwith iddyn nhw'n amddiffynol unwaith eto. Mae rhaid stopio'r croesiad, a Farquharson jyst yn ymatab yn gynt na neb.
You know, the character of the players, I say it all the time about coming through adversity. We got one recognised sub again tonight. I got 7 first-team players injured and out. And, you know, they've turned up with a very strong squad with good numbers. And we've had to be at our best to get the result. And I'm incredibly proud. You know, I've had so many great results, but again, you know, I was speaking to the players before the game and I'm just saying, lads, we've got to find another way to climb another mountain because we're down to 1 sub. And how many times have we been here before? After the Tbilisi game, we got 1 sub. We've now gone 5 back-to-back victories. Speaks about what my players and my group are about.
Just I siamddiffyn Corneli. Dyn ni'n gwybod ennill lle maen nhw'n gry. Dwi'n meddwl hanner cynta ni'n I wych, a ni sefyll I fyny eto. A tri a safod amdano ail hanner, paid I wneud cefn cymer, a wedyn tymod 2 gol mewn 6 munud, 2 cornel, a'r trydydd I dod o cornel hefyd, so dyn ni'n gorfod amddiffyn yn well. Dyn ni'n gwybod dyn ni'n fyr am cefnwr canol, ond dyn ni'n gorfod just bod yn well yn fannu.
Take us through the goals.
The first one whipped in. I was actually going to bring it down. I was thinking, I'll bring it down, but I just went for it and I caught it perfect, so got that. And then the second one, I just bulldozed my way in and it headed it onto my knee or my foot or something, and it just went in, so I'll take that. So nearly got a hat-trick though. I've never had a hat-trick either, so I was going for it, but oh well, at least we won.
Well, you've got the rest of the season to do that. A week tonight wouldn't be too bad, away at the New Saints.
Yeah, that would be a tough game, but hopefully we can just keep pushing because we've had a few injuries, but I know we'll pull through. That's what we do with discipline, so I'm not scared going there, so it'll be a good game.
It doesn't come any easier, big match next week.
Oh well, I've got the biggest game of the season on Saturday against Cardiff Met. I don't even know I've got Tuesday at the minute.